Welcome. Thank you. From the bottom of my heart, I want you to know that I'm extremely happy with this work. So I thought the beginning point that I must introduce you to the immediate staff that I left. It will be up to you if you want to maintain them or not. But I can confirm to you that we work very well together. This is my driver. This is now my driver. This is my messenger. Who's now your messenger? Mr. Pandis Mamansa, Mr. Hendricks Njamba, and this is Arena. Arena is the office cleaner. He's the one who knows all the corners of this office. He has a key into this office on that side. You will get the key to this office for both doors, which I'll hand over to you. And in doing this, as you know, this is a people-centric ministry. You will meet the good, the bad, the ugly here. This is where you will meet them. And so, Mr. President, I'm very thankful for giving me this opportunity to serve. As I leave, I want you to know that I go with a clean heart, and with no hard feelings, because the office, this office belongs to the President. He's the one who appoints, and he's the one who supports. I want to say I've accepted this with no hard feelings whatsoever. And to state that, despite the disappointment, I'm a committed member of the APC, and nothing changes. We built this party to where it is, and to the party, I also want to thank them for supporting while I was in this position. Maybe finally, is to say, if in the line of my duty I offended, in the public, in the private, I can only ask those who I offended to forgive me, to find it in the house. And at this juncture, this is the official statement that I'm giving, that I'm a committed member of UPAP, unshaken member of UPAP, subscribing to all the values and principles of UPAP. And for those that may be broken, start mending now. I'm not dead, I'm alive. Once again, Mr. President, I take my hat off you for giving me this opportunity to serve the people of Zambia. I go with a clean heart, just as I can. Thank you very much. Well, so maybe at this juncture, let me take him to the office so that I can hand over.
My dear brother, thank you so much for coming in. Indeed, you have come a long way. Not only in government, but also in reviewing the country. In terms of struggle, what we did for the country can't be subjected in any way. By the government, you welcomed me to take over from you, not as an enemy. We are from one party. I can't have my personal agenda, but the agenda of the party. That's what drives this office. I am not going to harass anyone. The people that you work with, I work with them. I'm not here to harass anyone, not to change anything, but to fulfill what the people want and what the president desires. There's nothing wrong. We are together. Wherever I find some challenges, I will remain open to you as your young brother, so that I learn more from the knowledge that you have acquired for the 3 years of in this office. I value your welcome, very, very good perspective. Welcome. I'm very grateful. Indeed, a brother. To the President, I say thank you so much for the opportunity given to serve the people of Zambia. Ourselves diligently to fulfill the agenda of the UPAP for the betterment of society and the country. Thank you so much.
Okay, so I can go to the office. It's remains here. We may not be able to come here, but it's the property of the general. Then there's a printer here. There is also a small room.
Okay.
And then, you go over. Then there's a television. Other than that,
To me, change your
sorry, that is it's a computer for the office. Yeah. So these two keys are the keys that one is for the manager, the other one is for everyone. The other one is for the rest of the
So, yes, you have your pen.
Yes,
I have more. I have one more.
so that side.
Okay.
So let me show you the board. We have keys for both doors.
Okay. Thank you.